The reason why this review took so long is because 1. My phone got delayed twice, and I was thinking if I should do an unboxing and the review, or just do the review entirely. The second reason was once everything came, I was contemplating doing a video at all because it took so long to arrive, but alas, I decided to do the review anyway. So without no delays, I'm Tech with Chris, and this is the review of the Galaxy S21 Ultra. The Galaxy S21 Ultra, with a few compromises, is a really great phone from the design to the performance. Starting with the design, I really love this matte frosted back on the Ultra because it hides almost all the fingerprints, and waiting for the Samsung exclusive Phantom Navy was worth it. I love this blue color. The S21 Ultra is also IP68 water and dust resistant, so a rainstorm or a drop in the freshwater pool won't damage it. To continue, the camera bump looks really cool with this texture. The S21 Ultra also performs great too. The battery can last me an 8-hour workday and a gaming session afterwards thanks to its 5000 mAh battery. The 6.8-inch screen on the Ultra is gorgeous, and with the depth of 120Hz refresh rate, it feels buttery smooth that you will not go back to traditional 60Hz screen. In the case if you cannot take that smoothness, you can toggle the screen to 60Hz if you plan on using it, but I suggest to give it a try. The S21 Ultra has a total of 4 cameras on the back that are a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens for getting more on your frame, a 108 megapixel camera that has been to 12 megapixels by default, but you can change it to 108 if you want to, and 2 10 megapixel cameras, which one of them is a 3x zoom lens and the other is a 10x zoom lens as well. You can also zoom in from 1x to 4x to 10x to 30x, and if that's not good enough for you, you can go all the way to 100 times zoom. The cool part is when you're at 30x to 100x magnification, you get a viewfinder to see where you're zooming in on and use super steady mode, so you can get the shot. Also, there's 8K video recording, which uses a ton of storage space if you're planning on recording a lot of footage. To add on, there is a new recording mode called Director's View, which uses the front 40 megapixel camera along with other cameras on the back, and you can choose what camera you want to be shown. With all those pictures and videos, you're going to need some storage space, and I have good news and some bad news. The good news is that you have 3 options to choose from, which are 128, 256, and 512 gigabytes of memory. The bad news is that that's all you get because Samsung removed the microSD card slot from the S21 lineup. Let me know in the comment section below if you used microSD cards in your phone before, because I definitely used them and having it removed is simply just wrong. To add on, playing games like Madden Mobile, Dragon Ball Legends, Call of Duty Mobile, and Halo Reach Firefight are lag-free despite my internet connection and hit and miss 5G connectivity. Alright, the first question, which is size and feel. By the way, these questions were from Reddit. It doesn't feel too big in my hands, like it fits very good. There's no problems with that, but the feel of it, like I said in the beginning of the video, I do love the fact that it has nice matte textured feel on it, so it hides some fingerprints, so it's not like glossy glass where it's like you touch it and absorbs it. So I really do like the size and feel of the S21 Ultra, especially in this blue color. I really love it. Alright, second question, which is, does it feel like a Galaxy Note the S Pen? And to be honest with you guys, I did use my dad's Note 20 S Pen with the phone, and it kind of does feel like a Galaxy Note. The only thing that doesn't have that good feel of a Galaxy Note is that there's no slot to put it. Like, it would be nice if there was like a nice magnetic strip hidden in this back glass you could put the pen in, and you just only need a case, and that's it. But without getting that special case, that silicone case that comes with the S Pen in it, and unless you just got the regular S Pen, it wouldn't feel like when I had my dad's Note 20 S Pen again. It didn't feel like a Galaxy Note, to be honest. Alright, third question. Does it have a pre-installed screen protector? As you guys can see, it doesn't. Now, am I disappointed? Yes, it would be cool to have some, like a nice freebie with it, but there is no pre-installed screen protector, so if you are getting this and you're absolutely like scratching up your phone, dropping your phone, and all that stuff, I highly recommend you get a glass screen protector or a plastic screen protector. Alright, camera quality of the Galaxy S21 Ultra, to be honest, it's actually really good. It's really impressive. It's, as for most reviewers are saying, it's out of its league with the 108 megapixel main camera. And of course you have the two 10x telephoto lenses. I will show some samples of videos, which you guys should be seeing right now, but camera quality is really good on this phone. It's absolutely a 10 out of 10 in my book. If you do want me to make a different video with just the camera features, let me know in the comment section below, because I will gladly do that. Last but not least is pricing and availability. The S21 Ultra is available to order online and in stores. If you're eligible for the trade-in, it will cost you $500 depending on your phone you decide you want to trade in to Samsung. If you do not have an eligible phone, the S21 Ultra costs $1,200 for the 120GB variant, and the 256GB variant costs $50 more. The 512GB version is out of stock at the moment. The Ultra comes in two colors, which are Phantom Black and Silver. The Samsung exclusive colors are not available either, which my Phantom Navy happens to be an exclusive color. So, overall, the Galaxy S21 Ultra is the best phone you can get if you have an eligible phone to trade in. And if you can't get past the headphone jack removal, MSD being stripped, and microSD card removal, then I recommend this phone to you. If those things bother you, I suggest going for the S20 models, which have a charger in the box, MSD, and microSD card support. So that is it for the Galaxy S21 Ultra review. Make sure you guys subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out on new videos that I make on this channel, and so you don't miss out on my new series on the channel called Mid-Rangers, coming soon this month. Also, leave a like, comment, share, and follow me on my socials for updates on my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, stay safe and have a great day.